Afterpay. Today we are going to learn how to verify your Afterpay account. This is a pretty simple process. Here is a guide on how to do it correctly. First, you have an option that says automatic verification. For this, in most cases, Afterpay automatically verifies your account using the information you have provided during sign up. This typically involves comparing your details with databases and performing soft credit checks. The second option is manual verification. If automatic verification fails, you might need to verify your account manually. Afterpay will notify you through the app or email with instructions. The requirements are government issue photo ID. This could be your driver's license, passport, or national identity card. Ensure the ID is valid and matches the name on your Afterpay account. The next one is your proof of address. This could be a recent utility bill, bank statement, or official document with your address. Make sure the document is dated within the past 3 months. Another requirement is additional information. In some cases, Afterpay might request additional information like your date of birth, phone number, or tax identification number. After filling out all the requirements, government issue photo ID, proof of address, and additional information, you will be able to verify your Afterpay account. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.